Hi, my name is Jonathan. This video is an example video message sent via DM to a prospective student member of a crypto help board on Reddit. So, hey, probably wondering why I got this message. I would reach out to you because I see you as being really suited to join a new education company called Stealth that is really geared to ambitious people like yourself and really tailored to helping you be the best that you can be and achieve everything that you settled your mind to be and things that you don't know that you could have done. Right? So company's called Stealth and it is really tailored to fit the needs of you. So it's a company made for you and made to push you beyond the limits that you believe that you have for yourself, right? It is designed to really hit all of your interests and really allow you to gain the skills and experience that will allow you to thrive and prosper in the world as it exists now and the world as yet to be. So I'm really looking out to hearing more from you if you're interested. And yeah, I'll be waiting for your message back.